On the northernmost building here at the Hoxton Park Technical Training Centre, we've also installed a Gen 3 car charger. This is a Tesla product designed to charge Tesla vehicles. You can see that the charger is ready for charging with the little green LED light indicated on the front. This particular charger is a single phase or a three-phase charger. We've wired this charger in three-phase, which means you can expect a peak of around 18 kilowatts charging any Tesla vehicle. The charger has a 7.5 meter lead. It's also available in a 2 meter option as well. To isolate the charger, head to the main switchboard and turn off the Tesla car charger circuit breaker or RCBO. And the AC isolator next to the charger. Turn your Tesla charger back on, turn on the adjacent AC isolator, head to the switchboard and turn back on your RCBO. The Tesla car charger is not at all connected to the solar system. These are what we call AC coupled. However, there are some solar systems out in the field, like a SolarEdge for example, which do have a car charger straight off the solar inverter. So that would be DC coupled, which would have a different isolation procedure.